Hi, this is the third and last video of my presentation, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to what I'm going to call a collaborative project. And the idea is that instead of just posting up the folders online on the N drive for us all to use, I'm hoping that we can use this new access unit momentum with everybody trying new things and learning new things. Maybe this is a good time for us all to try something new in terms of creating materials. So what I'm thinking is that in Access teams we could work together. And so, for example, if you are teaching Access Unit 5, there may be two other classes with two teachers in each class who are also teaching Access 5, and one in Launceston as well. So, as a group, we could work together to just turn out a few, maybe 3 or 4 interesting items that we could use with our students to extend their learning in one way or another. And just for those that are not very familiar with online tools, I'm going to suggest that we maybe start by trying one of these 3 tools. This tool is called Show Me, and if you look that up on Google, you should come up with some interesting links, and they will explain to you how that is used. VoiceThread is hugely popular at the moment with a number of different types of educators, and is becoming very large indeed. Socrative is also quite popular at the moment. I've enjoyed using it a lot, and I've already introduced it once, so some of you may be quite familiar with Socrative already. So what I would suggest is that we turn out some of these resources and then actually employ them with our students. And this is where the interesting part will come in, because I would suggest that once we've actually gone through the process of creating and using these resources with our students, that we actually report back to each other and talk to each other about how we found the experience and how the students found the experience. Now, in the past I've introduced the online, it's very similar to Milo. It's an online system that works to present students with material and gives them an opportunity to talk to each other in a forum. It's called Edmodo, and you can look that up on the internet, of course. This is the name here. And once you've logged on, and many of you are already logged on, you should try and join the Tech in Teaching group. I've actually posted you a link to this website, so you should be able to join this group quite easily if you're not already a group member. If you are a group member and you've forgotten your password, you should be able to get that back just by putting your email address in, and they'll send you an opportunity to reset your password. But once you get into this point, you can just type in here maybe a notice to say, this is what I created a Show Me, and then just talk about it in terms of how did you find it. Was it useful? Was it very difficult to create? How long did it take you? When the students tried it, did they find it useful? And you know, was it worth the effort after all that work? And I think if this would be a very useful discussion between the different groups, if we can all share our experiences with how we're finding different tools, that'd be great. And if you find a tool that I haven't mentioned, then we can even introduce a few new ones perhaps. Okay, now I have already emailed everybody an outline of what I'm suggesting here. This document is in your inbox. Some of you maybe won't have received this, but if you can ask around, I don't have everybody's email address, so you should be able to get hold of a copy of this if you ask around the teachers. There will be somebody who can pass it on to you. It just outlines what I'm suggesting in stage 1 to create it, stage 2 to practice it with the students, and then stage 3 it should be to actually feedback to everybody. And if we manage to do this, then I think that it would be a very worthwhile project, and I hope you think so too. I'll see you all soon. Do please get in touch with me if you feel you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.